In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font in Claude AI. Personalizing the font can make your workspace more comfortable, improve readability, and reduce eye strain during long sessions. I'll walk you through the process step by step and share a few quick tips along the way so everything feels smooth and straightforward. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to claude.ai. If you land on the new chat page, that's perfect. You're in the right place. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your account settings. Once you're on the main interface where you can start a conversation, you're ready for the next move. Look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. It may appear as a small avatar or as your initials. Click that icon to open your account menu. If you're using a smaller screen or a mobile browser, the icon might be tucked behind a menu button, but the goal is the same. Open the profile menu so you can adjust your preferences. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This takes you to the place where all of your personal preferences live. You should see sections for general options and other controls that tailor how Claude looks and behaves for you. Don't worry, nothing you change here will affect your content or your past chats. It's just about how the interface is presented. Now scroll through the settings page until you find the font option. It's typically under a general or appearance section. When you see the font control, open the menu to browse the available typefaces. Select the one that feels most comfortable to read. If you're doing a lot of coding or working with structured text, a monospace option can make alignment clearer. For long reading sessions, a clean sans serif font often feels lighter on the eyes. As you make a selection, the interface usually updates right away, so you can instantly preview how it looks. If you change your mind, simply pick a different option or switch back to the default. That's it. The change applies across your Claude workspace and generally saves automatically. If you don't notice the update immediately, try refreshing the page. And if the font option isn't visible, make sure your browser is up to date and that you're viewing the latest version of the app. Thanks for watching. With your font set just right, your conversations and projects in Claude should feel easier to read and a lot more pleasant.